guys, welcome back to my video. Today we bring you an inspiring story of determination and innovation. Meet Rohan, a young entrepreneur who refused to give up on his dream. From facing rejection to achieving success, Rohan's journey will motivate you to chase your passion and never lose sight of your goals. Get ready to be inspired. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a young boy named Rohan. Rohan had a dream of becoming a successful entrepreneur. Despite facing numerous rejection and failures, he never gave up. One day, Rohan approached a renowned businessman, Mr. Patel, with his innovative idea. Impressed, Mr. Patel offered Rohan guidance and support. With newfound determination, Rohan worked tirelessly. His hard work paid off when he launched his own startup, creating jobs and transforming his village. Rohan's success story inspired many. He proved that with the perseverance and right the mindset, anyone can achieve their goals. Key sentences: 1. Never give up on your dreams. 2. Hard work and determination lead to success. 3. Every failure is an opportunity to learn. Practice tips: 1. Focus on pronunciation. 2. Emphasize key vocabulary. 3. Maintain a steady pace. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.